What'd you say?
Said it just digs. It's like the torque on it is so good. It's so fun. It's such a fun bike to just ride. I could ride this forever. That's me.
What'd you say?
Said it just digs. It's like the torque on it is so good. It's so fun. It's such a fun bike to just ride. I could ride this forever.
Low amperage, you got fun and more fun basically. Whenever you're in high and you're on a start or you're pulling up on somebody, you need a little boost to get by them. That's where the Van Halen eruption button comes in. You push that, hold it, it will give you 15% in high range, it gives you 15% over top end for 10 seconds. Keeps you from burning the battery up, but it gives you a turbo boost basically.
What do these do right here? Is this like the blinkers?
That's the reverse.
There's a reverse?
Yeah, give us a little fuel now.
Oh, that's so cool.
You can see how he's smiling as he discovers these toys. Then there's a headlight over here. Works pretty good. And a horn. Now go ride.
I like that you don't have to use your clutch to start. You can just start from like third. See, this is a perfect opportunity. Uh-oh. There we go. This is a perfect opportunity to hit this Erupt button right here. You hold it for 10 seconds and see the extra little boost. Just super fun. This is such a fun bike. And the it does not feel like a Sur-Ron. It feels like a dirt bike, just more quiet. And that's what I love about it. It gives you that natural feeling of being on a dirt bike. And here's this reverse button right here. You have this and pull it backwards. Just like this. I missed this trail because there's water right here. And you flip it back. Perfect. And you get to go again. Really, really, really smart that they did this. I held my tree right there. Alright. So, uh-oh. There's the back brake. I love how smooth it is. I thought it was going to be super, super hard to control, but no. Okay, how am I gonna get through this? How deep is it? I'm not trying to get all wet. Oh, it ain't that bad. Alright, here we go. Make sure there's no mud on that camera. Okay, so super easy, and I love this clutch, but I gotta get used to saying, like, it's not a dirt bike. I don't have to pull it in on downhills. I feel like it's gonna shut off on me every time I do. Ooh. But this is super, super fun. Let's hit this Erupt button real quick. See, look at that. Gotta make our way through this mud. I guess it rained here a lot because it's super muddy. Look at this. This is awesome. Alright. I'm in third right now. This is an awesome display because it shows your speed in kilometers. I don't know if you can change that. But here's your gear, because this thing does have gears. That's why it onside the clutch. And the awesome thing is, look, you know how in normal bikes you have to pull in the clutch to stop or to go? Look, third gear, you don't have to pull in the clutch at all. The only time you'd put in the pull in the clutch is if you're on like a hill and you're losing traction, just like spinning out, and you feather that clutch just to get a little bit more traction to go up the hill. That's what this is for. Let's see. Do not enter one way. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna head back because I have no idea where I'm at. A little bit of extra riding just to see how fast it really is, and only third gear. There's 4 gears, just like a TTR 110, and it's like I'm a sit down, stand up type of guy. It really depends where I'm at, and this is just a stand up trail. Mud dog. Ooh, no, I'm good. Wait, that's where I came from. Uh-oh. There we go. But yes, if you give it enough, like, twist in the throttle, it'll wheelie on you. In third, which is really good. Let's go here. A little bunch of mud. Am I going? No, I'm not. I think I brought him down on the front suspension a little bit. It's alright. Alright, a little bit of a hill climb right here. Not the best at these. Easy! Easy! It's really easy. This is awesome. I don't have to struggle because it has that torque. And it's super easy just to go up hills. That is super fun. Uh-oh. Forgot about this. I was having too much fun. Alright. While you're going that fast. And that's what I love about this bike. All of, like, the, I'm in third again. All of the, like, add-ons to this bike, like, there's a headlight. Really, really neat, in case you want a night ride. Everything, there's a low, in case you just want to cruise. And this Erupt button only happens when you're in high. So, it really, really surprises you on what it feels like. It feels unreal. Oh yeah. I'm still getting used to the clutch on this bike, and if you hear, like, that's me hitting the clutch because I'm just so used to being on a like a regular dirt bike. And this one, you only, like I said, when I was riding, is you only have to use the clutch if you're on an uphill or you're just losing traction. But you can definitely tell. Oh, I think I'm going the wrong way. Hold up. It's awesome, dude. It's awesome. That is the best on the hill climbs ever. There's rocks all over them hill climbs, and that is the best.
The REVOLT bike is around the lines of 255 pounds, but it does not feel like that because it is very centered, and it does not feel like that when you're riding. It feels very light. I'm going to show you. This does not feel very heavy on the ground. Very easy. Back up.